Welcome everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the version history of your websites and funnels and e-commerce stores and webinars, as well as the autosave feature. Yes, the system does autosave your work, which prevents you from losing all your work in case your browser tab crashes, for example, or you accidentally close some tabs because you have opened too many. Let me show you where you can find all this. All right, first click on Sites on the left, and by the way, the feature works for funnels, websites, stores, webinars, as well as for blogs. Now let's select a website in question. Let's edit a page. Now let's say we would like to make changes to the headline right here. You would type your changes and you see at the top left, it's already saving. Last saved 4 days ago. Right now it's saving. Now it changed to auto-saved. Absolutely amazing. Now my work will not be lost. Now to review any version of any saved work that you had before, you just click on the versions icon here. And here we go. The version history shows up. Every single version of this particular page will show up here on the left-hand side. Currently we're at version 26. The version 25 is live because we haven't clicked published just yet for the changes that we just made a minute ago. That's why the version 26 is not live just yet. And then if you want to restore any of the previous versions, you just click on this. Let's say we want to restore version 24. We just click restore version right here. And ta-da, it has restored that old version. Now let's go back to the actual version. Let's click versions. Let's go back to version 25 and let's click restore version here to bring it back to what we actually want to display live. And let's make sure to hit publish top right corner. For the autosave feature, by the way, the system will save a version every 10 minutes, provided there has been changes actually made. And for the version history, it saves up to 50 versions, and the older versions will then slowly be deleted the more new versions you will have. Now let's say you're making changes to the global header, which is in this case the purple framed section at the top. You can tell it by the color, so all the global headers are purple. It also says global header here at the bottom. That means that if I make changes here right now, these changes will apply throughout all the pages where we've implemented that global header. So let's say we're adding a new menu item. Let's click on the menu. Let's scroll down. Let's add item. Let's select go to page, contact us, let's hit submit. And here we go. You will see the global section change pop up showing up. Hey, do you really want to make changes to the global section? Because sometimes we can forget, hey, we actually implement a global section. To just be sure that we want to do that, we just want to hit save and go ahead with it, or cancel if we change our minds. You can also check mark don't show again, so it will not always ask you that if you already in your mind know, hey, I know that if I change a global section, it will change it for all of the pages. That's it already. This is how you access the version history and how the system will autosave your work. Make sure to check out the links in the description. There are some goodies and some freebies for you, and I will see you in the next video.